Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this the newsbeat presented to you by ladies like. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. It was another busy week for justice in Uganda. No, here not so much. But other countries have shown that corruption is actually a punishable crime. From South Africa to Brazil, it's now clear that presidents can also be sent to jail. Brazil's former president Lula got convicted for corruption. He will spend 12 years in prison and he has 6 more corruption trials to go. But there's a chance that they will let him go. Justice is on top of the court. Want to revisit the ruling. Let's see how serious Brazil is about corruption fighting. And surprisingly, Lula has not lost all his funds. The working class man still stands a chance. He's leading the polls for the next presidential elections. Who trusts a man who stole from them? Well, the same goes to South Africa, where former President Jacob Zuma can still pull and please the crowds in Zulu hometown. But he too might soon be going down. He recently appeared in court, facing corruption charges of the $2.5 billion arms deal in the 1990s. When he was deputy president of the ANC, Zuma had shady deals with European arms companies. The weapons were used by post-apartheid military. Zuma denies and says it's all lies to keep black people from advancing economically. But was it not under his rule that the country stagnated economically? So one corrupt president is in jail and another one might follow maybe. Is this the end of the worldwide impunity? A lot of corrupt leaders are still out there and free. But if courts bring them out one by one on their knees, the world might change permanently.
Where's the money going? Where's the dollar flowing? There is so much wealth in Zimbabwe, but where is the money going? Some are driving Benz, some drive Jaguar, but now they're getting called out by Munagangwa. The new president of Zimbabwe is getting tough on corruption, and he really don't play. He announced an amnesty in 2017 for the rich of Zim to bring back the green. Yeah, all the US dollars that they had sent overseas, they stashed in foreign banks just as they pleased. Now Munagwanga, he cut them some slack. He gave them 3 months to bring the cash back to the national banks. 1.4 billion, but they only brought back half 90 million. Yo, what's that? Where's the rest of Zim's money? You think Munagwanga is joking? You think that he is funny? Now he is mad, so there is no more amnesty. He named and shamed the companies that are bringing misery. 1,800 companies were named, and 4 state companies were singled out for the blame. Yeah, state mining companies mining Zim's diamonds. How come they weren't happy with our slice of the pie, man? Munagwanga's list has opened eyes to exactly where the funds are being externalized. Beijing, Shanghai, that's where Zim's money is going. Africa to China, watch the dollars flowing. Now Munagwanga is saying time is up. There is no more room in Zim for the greedy and corrupt. If they don't change their ways, he is going to put them to bed. So here's a little quote what the president said. Take heed of the importance of good corporate governance and the legal obligation of citizenry. So if the rich don't assist with Zim's finance, they are gonna end up in the penitentiary, yo. Where's the money going? Where's the dollar flowing? There is so much wealth in Zimbabwe, but where's the money going? Yo, I'm Big Ben Sukujana Mombe, reporting for Newsbeat.
Gerald Tenywa is an award-winning journalist. He has worked hard to become one of the best. He's also our citizen hero of the week because of the truth that his stories speak. Tenywa started out studying science, but the environment wasn't his conscience. So he wrote, studied and became a journalist. He never knew his work would earn him threats. When he wrote an investigative story on ivory stolen from Uganda Wildlife Authority, he started getting unwelcome attention. He wasn't safe, even at work at New Vision. He reported, but the police didn't take action. Despite it all, Tenywa sticks to his passion. He writes to protect the environment by revealing issues like encroachment or industrial pollution of water bodies created by corporate facilities. Many big shots get pissed off, so the danger is never far off. But he fact checks like an expert, and in the end, it's worth the effort because his story can cause an inspection or help influence policy decisions. Tenywa works to protect the environment, and as a citizen hero, he endures the threats because he believes Uganda deserves the best. That was the news on the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still ladies like, reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.